Hello, everybody. Today I'm going to compare for you the difference between Argo Rollout and a regular Kubernetes deployment. Turns out Argo Rollout is super similar to a Kubernetes deployment. Even though Argo Rollout is coming from a different API version, it's the brand new shiny thing. You can do a lot more with it. It's really a GitOps implementation of sorts. And Kubernetes deployment is just a deployment thing, and you would think that they're worlds apart, but they're actually not. So I just wanted to show you how similar they are. So you can think of Argo Rollout as just an extension of Kubernetes deployment so that it doesn't boggle your mind, right? As a big, huge thing. So first of all, let's take a look at an example uh, YAML for Kubernetes deployment. It has specs and replicas and strategy and selectors and templates. So if I look at an example of a Argo rollout, obviously the API version is going to be different, the kind is going to be different because they're different things. Metadata doesn't really matter. So in here, we also have specs, we also have replicas, we also have selectors, we also have template, and under templates, we have specs, and similar thing here. Under templates, we have specs of what kind of content you're going to run so that they're exactly the same. They're just almost no different there, right? The only thing different is if you look at the strategy, the rollout strategy in the regular deployment, you can only get maybe two. There's rolling update is the most common one, and the second one is recreate. So rolling update would be it would take out certain percentage of the pods and then put new ones in with the new version when it rolls out the new version of the deployment, right? In here, though, for Argo rollout, you have a lot more options. You can do blue-green, you can do Canary, you can do a few other things. So the point of this video is really just to show you that Argo rollout is really very similar to a Kubernetes deployment, so that when you're starting out with Argo CD or events and Argo workflows, um, one thing you can check off from your list is Argo rollout, because you already know that. If you already have played if you have spent any time dealing with Kubernetes deployment, then this would be a piece of cake for you. It's exactly the same thing, except in the strategy section you have Canary and blue green and whatnot, right? So just that was the content of the video for today, and I will see you in the next GitOps video from Argo.